Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to simplify 27 power minus 2 by 3. So let's start. Firstly, we will factorize 27. We know that 27 is divisible by 3. So we can express it as 3 times 9. Now it is known to us that 9 is equal to 3 times 3. So we get 27 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. Now as there are 3 number of 3's, so we can write it as 3 power 3. So finally we get 27 equal to 3 cube. Now our given expression is 27 whole power minus 2 by 3. Now using this fact, this expression can be written as 3 power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. Now we can rewrite this as 3 power 3 times minus 2 by 3 using the fact that a power m whole power n is equal to a power m times n. Here a is 3, m is again 3 and n is minus 2 by 3. Now simplifying the power, we get 3 power minus 2. That is equal to 1 by 3 square. Here we have used the fact a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Here a is 3 and n is 2. Now after simplification, we get 1 by 9 and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, please leave your comment in the comment box.